This is a Philips Sonicare. The problem is you turn on, you can hear it vibrate. You push that and it starts. You can get it to sort of work and it stops again. It turns it off. Now to get them apart, I've already loosened this, but I'll just show you again so you get the idea. Put a bit of cardboard on there and get a pair of multi-grips, like so. And you'll just have to squeeze that and you'll find it'll pop out a bit, and when it does, just get a screwdriver and get around the edge and lever it. But I've already loosened that. I didn't intend to start the video off earlier. Let's take that off, and you can lever that out. And then right inside there, I think see there's two little tabs. There's a tab each side. Just push down using the tip of it on your bench and just get in there and just lift those little tabs up. Just keep a bit of pressure. And it can be a bit fiddly to get it, but once you get it, it pops out and the hole inside comes out. It's just a cover on the battery. And you find out what's happened. It's this little magnet, and across this electromagnet here has fallen down, and it's actually touching the top of that. Now there is adjustment screws for that. You need a little screwdriver, make sure it's a good fit. There's one just there, and there's also one just under here in that little hole. So what you do is you go just loosen them both off, and then what you need now is a little screwdriver, and you need to lift this magnet bit, or actually push the electromagnet down like that. And if you get a little bit of tin, doesn't need to be very thick, but I've just folded that bit of tin over and push that in between there. Try and get your screwdriver out and get in between nice and flat. The idea is you've got to adjust that so that magnet is quite close there. And now once you've got it in that position there, you just get your screwdriver and tighten them up quite firm, both of them. Now pull out your bit of metal and you should have the right clearance there, and now when you turn it on, it's working. You may have to fiddle around a bit there and get a bit more clearance, but you should, if you can see, you should be able to just see light under there with it not quite touching just that spot there. It's a bit hard to see, and that means you've got it set right and back working again. Now to assemble it, there's just a reverse of pulling it apart. Pop your battery cover back on, like so, and then make sure you've got that little plastic right in there, and it just goes back in there like that. Push it in and it will clip in, and so those two little clips will clip in, and then you've got this little part here to go next. Make sure it's the right way around, just make sure that's right, pretty sure that's right, and then just pop that in, and it might be around the wrong way. I'll just pop it back out again. Might have to go that way. Yeah, that's the right way now. Oops. And you can tell it's working, but it doesn't want to pop back in. Might have to. I think that's about right. Best forget it. Anyway, that's how you adjust it. I'll probably fiddle around with that to try and get the bottom end better. Now it's back to working again. Thank you.